This is where the magic happens.
Hello!
Hello, hello, hello.
We're stopping at the Cotswolds Farm Park campsite.
Park Farm
yeah,
Park.
whatever. And we arrived here on the 30th of December.
A year ago.
2022. And it's now the 1st of January 2023.
Yeah, so as Heather
There you go, you see, you'll know better than me.
as Heather says, we're at Cotswold Park Farm, which is the guy off of Countryfile, Adam Henson. If you know it, I didn't know it, but we're there. We came straight from Wells to here. The weather's been terrible, not going to lie. We nearly got divorced putting the awning up, and we're not even married. That's how bad it was. So we didn't put the awning up, and we've done zero filming until today because oh yeah, Heather's done a bit around the farm, we'll throw that in, but we've had a really lazy time of it, and
we had a good night last night.
Yeah, New Year's Eve was good. They ran out of draft beer, which was terrible. We had to have bottles, but hey, but it was good. So yeah, it is Sunday,
It is
January the 1st 2023, as we said. We're walking to the pub. It's quite a trek. It is quite a trek, we're not going to lie. You wouldn't be doing this you know, if you're infirm in any way, and there really is nothing around the campsite. You're a captive audience.
2 miles before you find anything.
Yeah, it's 2 miles to the pub. But the campsite's clean and tidy. It's just, in my opinion, everything's Cotswold stone, so in the rain, van's filthy, roadways are filthy. Yeah, so bear that in mind if you come in here.
We've worn nothing other than our walking boots.
Walking boots and Crocs, that's it.
Crocs, yeah.
What was I going to say? Yeah, campsite's good though, nice and clean and tidy. I've done a little bit of footage, I'll throw that in. Anyway, this intro is far too long and has turned into a waffle, but laters. So on the campsite there's a lot of grass pitches, which obviously aren't open this time of year. Just gives you a quick overview from the top of the site down to where we're all parked. You can see all the CV vans down there. And then you've got your facilities block just coming into view on the right. So up by your facilities block you've got all your recycling and your bins there, and then there's the actual main block itself. I think I've got some photos to insert, and then your grey waste and your dropping point is all to the front of the building there, just where Mick and Jane are walking past. And you can see we're just down here on the right hand side, and there's our pitch. What I would say is reception for mobile is pretty bad. We've got 4 devices in the van at the moment on EE, Smarty, Vodafone and O2, and 3G is just about there, 4G very occasionally, but yeah, not the best for reception. Television reception, you're getting the odd channel, but it's you know, blocking out a lot. Look at me van.
So morning, it's New Year's Eve on the I don't even know now, December the 31st 2022, and I've come into the shop at the Cotswolds Park Farm. I've come through to the toy area because there's music playing in the background. I'm going to go and have a look around the farm. And I've got some old channel favourites, or young channel favourites. Mick and Jane. Hello! And they've actually got their van. Yes, folks, they've actually got their van, which they got 2 weeks ago yesterday. Looks very similar to ours, but it does have a few changes. We were in there last night. There's a bar and restaurant and cafe. All very nice. This is the better bit round here. Oh, it's discounted, Mick. Right, so this is outside. That's going into the farm. The campsite's over there. Outside area if the weather's okay. We're in the farm area. Like I say, if you're stopping camping here, you can come in here for free. So we finally found some animals. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello. 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 Hello.
Great before. These are obviously rare breeds, aren't they?
This one's very friendly, aren't you? Hey? Hey, you're very friendly. So it looks ready to charge.
Yeah, big old beast. Ray, do re mi, let the sheepdog go.
I think I like the black one the best. Hello.
That's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good
There's the pub itself. I am coming from the other direction. We've actually already eaten. I just thought I'd show you the pub. Didn't film coming up. Just having some work done, but it's really nice inside. Oldie worldy. Food was absolutely amazing. We had carvery, quite nice, and good value for money. But now it's a long slog back to the campsite in a potato coma, so wish me luck on the way back. Not gonna lie, it's a walk and a half with 400 roast potatoes. But seriously, if you are going to walk to the pub from the site, you've got to be fairly fit. It's unlevel ground. At this time of year it's very, very boggy, but it's worth it when you get there.
Yeah, oh yeah. But if you turn the camera around, they might be able to see the rain coming in.
Yes. It's going a bit dark, but anyway, the rain is cometh. We'll pick you up later in the video. Farewell.
And the next one I want said in the right dialect. So where's Eurovision going to be held? Well done, everybody. So, did anyone score more than 35? Natalie, anyone more than 35? No. Einstein. No. 38. No.
Right, we're away from Cotswold Farm Park.
Hi everybody.
Hopefully we've woke everybody up.
Nobody else is away.
They are. Tim Wardle was awake. Hello Tim, nice to finally meet you. Yeah, 8 o'clock in the morning, 2nd of January. Why are we leaving so early? Well, we always do, don't we? But although it's a bank holiday today, I've agreed to go into work to load some jobs for the promise of a day in lieu for what's maximum going to be 2 or 3 hours. So I figured it was nicer, yeah, hopefully, but it will be, because I'm not starting work till 12 anyway. So yeah, a promise of a day in lieu in the summer is far better than just waiting to get kicked off this campsite at 11 o'clock, getting home and going, oh god, it's work tomorrow. So that's the plan. Hour and a half home, quickly unload the van, quickly get a shower and bang over to work. And that's the day hopefully sorted.
It is, yes.
So we've had a lovely week away, and we've had a lovely 3 days at the Cotswold Farm Park, bar like I've moaned about many times. This Cotswold stone,
It's horrible in
it's
this weather.
horrible in this, it really is. The van's filthy, bless you. Your carpets are filthy, you get the idea. Bless you again. I'd say that's 3 days off work, but seeing as you work from home, you've had it. So yeah, I've no idea how this video is going to pan out. I say this a lot, but I've done bits of filming, bobs of filming. You know the story. Anything to say, Heather, before we go?
Yes. Thank you to Alan Fryer.
Oh yes, Alan Pryor. He's sent us some drone footage.
So that will have been already inserted. We'll have made a comment
Yeah.
when you insert it, but
Yeah.
a personal thank you. We're going left.
We're going left.
Verbally as well.
Yeah. And to all the other CV people.
Oh God, yeah.
Too many to mention, but I will just say we've spent the whole weekend really with Mick and Jane. They only had the van.
For them.
They only had their van a fortnight, and this was their first weekend away. And obviously we met them 18 months ago now. They used to watch the channel, probably still do, you know, but they found us at the Malvern show, and we've sort of pallied off with them quite well. So we've been with them all weekend, but we have still seen our other friends. But yeah, it's been a nice weekend, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But anyway, back to reality, as Eminem once said. I'm down with the kids. See you later.
There goes gravity.
Correct. Whoops, there goes gravity.
Whoops.
Anyway, later.
Happy New Year anyway, everybody.
Yeah.